Hey everybody, this is Night to Shine here at LFA. We're so excited to be able to have our guests showing up. They're going to be rolling up here in a limousine, walking this red carpet. It is a night for all of us. You see a bunch of people behind me. They're all over our campus, and we have the chance to love on people in our community as God loves on us. So we're excited. This is going to be a great night, and we're glad that you're a part of it.
You come amaze me, baby. You come amaze me, baby. And I know you've been broken, I've been broken too. But even in this crowd, it feels like just us two. I don't ever wanna leave this moment, yeah. 'Cause I'm not broken when I'm here with you. Yeah. No, I'm not broken when I'm here with you. No, I'm not broken when I'm here with you. And I know you've been broken, I've been broken too. But even in this crowd, it feels like just us two. I don't ever wanna leave this moment, yeah. 'Cause I'm not broken when I'm here with you. Yeah. No, I'm not broken when I'm here with you. No, I'm not broken when I'm here with you. All falls away the second that you speak to me.